Yeşilköy, located in Istanbul, Türkiye. The light of my eye, don't be shy, I was always high.
Yeşilköy, Yeşilköy.
I have been away far from here. I visit 3-4 times a year. Speed walking is what I do here.
Speed walking, baby.
Yeah, baby, speed walking, baby.
Hey.
Are you crazy?
Are you crazy?
Don't be lazy.
Speed walking,
Boy, I Jim guten noktalarından yürürüm. Biraz yürü yavrum.
Yeşilköy Sahil.
In other words,
Yeşilköy promenade.
Yeah, baby, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeşilköy, Yeşilköy.
Stefanos was the old name, place with a lot of historical fame. Multicultural back in the day, today it is all the same.
Yeşilköy Marina, beautiful sunset in the evening, home to dozens of boats, big and small, all that float.
Promenade full of restaurants with seafood, marina full of boats, new and used. Don't be fooled, don't be doomed. This place is
Super cool, boom, boom, boom.
in the distance, that's Istanbul. Next to us, Yeşilköy, it is where I went to school. Both places are pretty cool.
Speed walking, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Speed walking.
Are you crazy?
Are you crazy?
Don't be lazy.
Speed walking.
Oh yeah, Jim guten noktalarından biraz yürü yavrum.
Yeşilköy Sahil.
In other words,
Yeşilköy promenade.
yeah, baby, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeşilköy, Yeşilköy. That is my sister and I. We look alike, you cannot deny. Flying the drone high in the sky, showing you all what is nearby.
Yeşilköy